Now, number 5 on my free traffic source is a platform called LeadSleep. LeadSleep is an online advertising platform that offers a wide range of tools and resources to help businesses generate leads and improve their marketing efforts. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, LeadSleep provides valuable features like ad tracking, link tracking, and lead capture forms to optimize your online advertising campaigns. But here's the best part. LeadSleep is completely free to join and use. You can access all of their powerful tools and resources without spending a dime. This makes it an ideal choice for affiliate marketers who are looking to drive targeted traffic to their offers without breaking the bank. But how can you leverage LeadSleep to generate leads for your affiliate offers? Well, let me break it down for you in a few simple steps. The first step is to sign up for a free account on leadsleep.com. You can even use my free affiliate link down below this video, and it's going to give you access to their suite of free tools and resources. Now, once you've logged into your LeadSleep account for absolutely free, you'll see the wide range of tools that LeadSleep gives you a lot of access to. You can post ads, you can do social reviews, they give you link trackers with rotators and ad bars. There's even an email marketing system built inside of your LeadSleep account. But it doesn't stop there. They even have a page builder, a form pop-up creator, and you can even earn commissions from the site itself. But the great thing about LeadSleep and how it can generate traffic to your affiliate products and offers is something that they have called Traffic Exchange. The Traffic Exchange allows you to earn credits by viewing other members' websites. By doing this, you'll be allowed to advertise your own website to other users. By actively participating in the Traffic Exchange, you can drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers for free. And it's real simple and real easy to use. For example, if you look over to the right, these are advertisements from members of LeadSleep. So in order to earn credit so that you can start advertising for free, all you have to do is view one of their ads. For example, over here on the right, if we click on one of the ads, you'll see it'll take us to a new window. Now over here to the bottom left-hand corner is tracking these clicks, and it's also giving me credits. Now, as you can see right now, today I just have 1 click, but watch what happens by clicking on the button right here. Now that link took me to this member's website where they're advertising how they made $20,000 in 1 month. But as you can see back down here below, it has given me another click and it's going to add me more credits. Now to do this, it's absolutely free. It's absolutely free to create your LeadSleep account and to view the ads so you can start earning the credits. Once you have enough credits, all you have to do is go back into your account, click under this, under advertising, post credit ads for free, and it's going to take you right here where you can start building your own ad. Inside, you can add your URL, or in this case, your affiliate offer or your affiliate link or your landing page, a catchy title. You can add text and images, and you can put it in whatever category for your target audience. Once you're done, all you have to do is save it and submit it by clicking this button, and then your ad is going to be placed inside the website for all its current members to view and see as well. And as you can see, LeadSleep gets hundreds of thousands of visitors each and every single month, with that number increasing each day. Now to get access to leadsleep.com for absolutely free, all you have to do is click the link below this video. It's going to give you 100% free access to leadsleep.com so you can start earning credits and posting your ads to generate targeted traffic to your affiliate offers.